let's simplify this rather large term using our exponent rules. So to start off, we're going to be using the power rule to distribute these exponents outside of parentheses into their respective parentheses. Let's get started. The power rule specifically states that we can just multiply that outside exponent by the inside ones. So we now have 8 to the negative 2 times negative 1 is positive 2, times z to the positive 3 times y to the negative 1, divided by 5 to the third times y to the 2 times 3 is 6, times z to the negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, times 5 to the negative first times y to the negative first times z to the negative 2 times negative 1 is second power. This is a lot to work with, so let's try and simplify it at least just a little bit. So on the top, let's leave everything the same except for the y.